Good morning friends, Standard 11 Commerce, subject statistic and chapter number 2, that is presentation of data. In last video that we calculated up to example number 12. Now we will discuss further example of the same chapter and same topic, that is presentation of data. So the next example is example number 13 that we discuss here. So what is the question? The daily record of the sales of electronic equipment sold by shopkeeper of electronic items during a month of April is as under. Prepare the exclusive continuous frequency distribution. What we have to prepare? Exclusive continuous frequency distribution. Okay. And we have to give the answer of following questions. Okay. Hence, one class is 60 to 70. Okay. So here hint is given. That is, whatever number is given, the hint is one class is in between 60 to 7. And we have to give the answer of two questions. The very first question is find the number of days during which the sales of equipment is maximum. And number 2, state the number of equipment sold for the maximum number of days. So two different types of question is there. Now on the basis of this, we have to first of all prepare frequency distribution with the help of telemarks. Okay. So here as we hint is given, that is first of all we have to do the here classes, and second one that we have to prepare here telemark, and third one that is frequency. So three things that we have to prepare here, and we have to calculate the examples. Okay. So here as we know that one class is 60 to 70. So it means that class length class length is equal to 10. That we know. So what is the minimum observation? So here minimum observation is 34. So here 34. Which class is that 34 is included? So here 30 to 40. Okay. And what is the maximum? So maximum is that is 88. So 88 is included. So if 88 is there, 80 to 90 is class which included 88. Okay. So here simply we got the classes, that first class 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and 80 to 90. So this is our class. Now on the basis of this class, we have to prepare telemark and further details. Okay. So this is table. Now what we have to do? We have to do that particular thing denoted from here. We have to put here. Okay. So here first of all 54, 44. Okay. So 54 is in between this 54 and 44 is here. 58, 34. 58 here, 34 here. Then after 52, 40. So here 52. See 40 is here 2. Okay. But as we discussed earlier, okay, whatever second number is that we have to denote that. Okay. So here 40 we have to take 40 to 50. Okay. Then 73, 82. So here 73, 82. Okay. Then 57, 88. So here 57 is here, and 88 is from 80 and 90. 39, 80. 39 in between this 80. 46, 36. 46 in between this, 36 in between this. 64, 85. 64 here, 85 yes. 49, 66. 49 here, 66 from 60 to 70. 53, 58. 53 here and 58. 75, 41. So here 75, 41. Yes. Then 34, 62. Here 34. Okay. Here 34 and 62. So 62 between this. 57, 72. 57, 72. 68, 80. So here 68 and 82 times, but here we have to take second. So here 5. 51, 81. So here 51 and 81. So this is about 10 marks. Now what we have to do? We have to do the total. So here 4, then 5, 5, 3, 8, 4, 3 and 6. So total will be 30. So this is our 10 marks. This is our continuous frequency distribution, exclusive continuous frequency distribution. Now we have to give the two answers of questions. What is the questions? Find the number of days during which the cells of maximum. In which day cells of maximum is there? So here cells of maximum, that is 80 to 90. Okay, and what is the day? That day is 6. Okay, maximum cells day is 6. So maximum sold out, that is 80 to 90. How many days? 6 days. This is answer number first. And what is the second answer? Set the number of equipment sold for the maximum number of days. So here maximum number of days, that is 8. And in 8 our answer is 50 to 60. So maximum number of days is 8 and 50 to 60. That is our class and that is our answer. Okay. So this is the example number 13. What we have to do? First of all, we have to find out the classes. Hint is given 60 to 70. With the help of this hint, first of all, we have to find out the exclusive continuous frequency distribution with the help of 10 marks. Do the total, and whatever two questions is there, we have to give the answers of that two particular questions. Okay. This is the example number 13. Right now. Okay, so after the completion of example number 13, now we will discuss the example number 14. So what is the example? Let's see. Here, out of 300% reading wrestling in a region, a sample of 30% that we have to select. So big N, that is population, is equal to 300, but what we have to do? We have to take sample of only 30%. Selected at a random at the heights. Heights is given in centimeter. Those are selected person are as under. So height is given of 30%. That is 163, 150, 146. As it is 30 people. Height is given. Now on the basis of this, what we have to do? We have to give the answer of 5 particular questions. What are the questions? Let's see. Number 1. So first question, distribute those data into 6 classes. Also find the mid value of each. What we have to find out? We have to find out the distribute into 6 classes. So here first of all 6 classes that we have to distribute, and also we have to find out mid value. So here first of all friends, we have to find out range. So range is equal to maximum value Okay, so here we have to find out maximum as well as minimum value. So here, what is the maximum value? 168. So here 168 minus, what is the minimum value? 141. Yes, okay. So what is the minimum value? 141. So answer difference is 27. Now we have to distribute into 6 classes. Okay. So here C is equal to range divided by K. So 27 divided by 6. Answer is 4.5. So we not as a 4.5, but approximately we have to take here 5. So we have to take a class of 5. So here, what is the minimum value? 141. What is the maximum value? 168. So here classes, okay, frequency distribution, the tally marks first of all, and numbers of observation, that is denoted by F. So here classes, tally marks, also we have to find out mean value. Okay, so here that we have to take classes from 140, 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, and 165 to 170. So this is number of class. Okay, same as mean value. Now what we have to do? Simple. We have to find out the value, 10 marks. Okay. So what we have to do? Again, with the help of number, we have to find out 10 marks. 163, 150. So here 163 is between here. 150 two times, second time that we have to take. 146. So 146 between this. Then 40, 148, 152, 155. 148, 152, and 155. Okay. 151, 145, 159. So here in third, 151, 145, 159. Sorry, 159 is between here. 162, 141, 150. 162, 141, 150 two times, second time then we have to take. 145, 162, 161. 145 two times, second time then we have to take. 162 again here. 161 in the same column. 152, so here 152, then 168, 153, 168, 153, 149, 148, 162, 149, 148, 162, okay, 158, 158, 160, 158, 158 and 160. Okay. 153, 149, 144, 153. Yes. 149. Second and 154 between this. 149, 141, 165. So 149 between this. 141 first column. 165, 2 times 65, second time then we have to take. Do the total. 2, 8, again 8, 4, 5, 2, total total 30. Okay, so this is our answer. 288 46. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out mid value. So 140 plus 145. So here 140 plus 145 divided by 2, 142.5. Same as class length is 5. So we have to add 5. So 147.5, 152.5, 157.5, 162.5, 167.5. Because class length is 5, so definitely we have to add 5. So with the help of this, we have to find out first answer, that we have to divide it into 6 classes, as well as we have to find out mid value. This is the first. Now second question. What is the second question? That second question is that obtain less than cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so here less than and frequency f, and here we have to find out cumulative frequency cf. Okay, so first of all, less than 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, and 170. Yes, 170. Okay, so this is the questions. Fine. Now what we have to do? Less than. So here the frequency is 0. So here CF. Then we have to find out. Again we have to find out more than. Okay. So in one particular branch, we have to one particular case. 2 things that we have to find out: less than as well as more than. Okay. So here less than. So here less than 40, that is 0. Okay. Then second, less than 145. So less than 145, that is 2. Okay. So here 2, and as we discussed, we have to add 1. So 0 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8, 18. 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4, 22. 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6, 28. And 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. Answer will be 30. So this is the less than cumulative frequency. This type of example that we already calculated. This example is just like revision of all the examples. Okay. Now second one, what we have to do? We have to find out more than. What we have to find out? We have to find out more than. Okay. So here we have to find out more than. This is number 3. Okay, so same as we have to do the calculations. In less than we have to add 1. In more than we have to deduct 1. Okay, so here from more than, that is from 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170. And 170, 45, 55, 60, 70 and 170. Okay, it's okay up to this. Now what we have to do? All. So here cumulative frequency CF is equal to 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 30. Now more than 45. So 2 is deducted. Okay, because we have to deduct 1. So 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. Answer is 29. here, that is 2. Now third one, 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4, 8 plus 8. So answer will be 20. Okay, that is 2 plus 6. Yes. Now 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8, answer will be 12. Then 2 plus 6, answer will be 8. 2, 2 and 0, 0. So this is the less than as well as more than frequency distribution. So this is the question number 3. Now again two questions is there, more than and less than. Okay, so what is the particular things? Less than 55 centimeters. Okay, less than 55 centimeters. So here less than 55 centimeters, that is 18. So we have to find out percentage. So how we can find out? 18 divided by 30 multiplied by 100. So percentage is 60. Okay, and same as here, that we have to find out for the more than, but here in this example more than is not asked. Next one, that we have to find out, obtain the more than cumulative frequency, that done. That is number 4. Now number 5, most important, how many persons having height of 147 to 157 centimeter? See, we have to find out the heights between the person between height of 175 to 147 to 157. Okay, it means that here 147 to 157 directly is not given. So what we have to do? We have to find out the ratio, and with the help of ratio we have to find out these things. So here how we can find out? So here 145 to 150 is equal to 8. 150 to 155 is equal to 8, and 155 to 160 is equal to 4. See here 145 to 150, it means that class length is 5, class length is 5, and here taken 3, 145, 146, 147. So here that we have to take 8 is a total, but here we have to take 3 out of 5 multiplied by 8. So answer is first 48, because we have to take 3 things less than in between 147 to 150. So 147, 148, 149. 3, because 150 is calculated over here. So here 8, that is confirmed. But here we have to take up to 157, not 57. So here we have to take 155 and 156. So here that is 2 by 5 multiplied by 8, that is 1.6. Total of these three, that is 14.4. Number is not, man is not at that point. So answer is 14. Again friends, what we have to do? Here first of all we have to ask 147 to 157. It is not given directly. So first of all what we have to do? 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160. 3 data that we have to take. 884. Here 150 is 47, 47, 48, 49. 3, so 3 by 5. Here 150, 155 total we have to take, because it is included in 147 to 157. And now third thing, that is 157. So here 155 is included, 155, 156. Two things that we have to include. So here 2 by 5 into 8, 1.6, total 14.4. And man or human is not in a point. So here answer is 14. So this is the whole example number 14. Okay, see.